this video, we will learn about how to rank fraction from greatest to lowest value, or you can say that lowest to greatest value. So these are the fraction 2 over 3, 1 over 4, 4 over 5 and 3 over 4. These are four different fractions with different denominators. How to rank them? First of all, we need to find the common denominator. So here is 3, 4, 5 and 4. So for this you can take LCM, or you can just multiply different numbers like 3, this 3, okay, and denominator 4 and multiply with 5, and this is 4, this is 4, this is 2 times, and you need to write only for one time. So 4 5s are 20 and 23s are 60. So 60 is the common factor. So right here, this is 2 over 3. So multiply this with 20 over 20. Why? Because 20 multiplied 3 is 60. So multiply 4 with 15, it will make it 60. So 50 over 15. And how? 5 multiply with 12 over 12. 5 12s are 60, so it is 60. And here you can say that 50 over 50. So this is the scenario, this is the case. Now just this is now multiply 2 with 20, it is 40 divided by 60. Okay, now 15 multiply with 1 divided by 60. 15 multiply 4, 15 multiply with this 5, it is 60. And now 12 multiply with 4 is 48. Now after that 15 multiply with 3 is 45 divided by 15 multiply with 4 is 60. Now this is the case. Now you can see that this 60, this 60, this 60 and this 60, these are same values, same denominator. Now you can easily rank. First of all, if you want to rank it in the greatest to lowest value, then find the numerator, greater numerator. So here this is greater numerator. 48 is the greatest numerator. So write 48 over 60. Now after that, lowest numerator from 48 is 45. So you can write 45 over here. This is 60, and now you can write 40 over 60, and after that 15 over 60. So this is highest, this is highest from this. So you can say that 48 over 60 is highest from 45 over 60 is highest from 40 over 60 and 15 over 60. Now change these fractions into their real values like this. This is 48 and 48 comes from this 4 over 5. This is 4 over 5, and after that 45 comes from 3 over 4. So this is 3 over 4, and after that 40 is comes from 2 over 3, and after that 1 over 4. So this is the fractions ranked in from greatest value to highest value, greatest to lowest value. Okay, this is the case. So reverse them, this will become lowest to greatest, and this is the way how you can rank the fractions from greatest to lowest value and lowest to highest value. So it is simple. You have to find the LCM first, means common denominator. So we found the common denominator 60 and we rank them accordingly. So I hope so you got the idea. If you still have any confusion, any problem, you can comment under the video. Please like this video, share the video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next lecture.